I'm heading the retail division of CRMs by the name of CRM Fashion Avenue. We retail 6 brands under it, namely CRMs, J. Hampstead, Augsburg, MSD. The reason for being here, they've asked me to talk about challenges and difficulties that I have faced as a woman entrepreneur, as a young entrepreneur, I would like to put it as. Because I think men or women, as a startup young entrepreneur, the kind of challenges that we face today are almost equal. India has progressed, and there has been a rise of participation of women in different fields, but yet I think the grassroots level is still untapped. Like Rod was asking me before I started speaking that what percentage of women in India actually work? So I was like, what do you mean, the women entrepreneurs or the women workers? Because there's a huge difference between that. We have women working in factories as well, but how many of them are given the opportunity to scale up further? And I yet don't know how many women are there out there who actually want to work and who have not been given the opportunity to even attempt. Just going back a little in my life, I actually started working only after I got married. My dad was not really in the favor of me working. उन्होंने कहा था कि शादी हो जाए उसके बाद काम करना, not right now. And I even attempted going to his office, like fighting with him, and actually landed up at his office also to work. And I remember he was from the diamond industry, so a diamond broker just came in and asked कि अच्छा है आपकी बेटी भी काम करने लग गई है आपके बेटे के साथ. And he's like, नहीं वो ऐसे ही सिर्फ टाइम पास के लिए आई है आज कुछ काम नहीं करने वाली है. And I actually stormed out of his office. But today, let me tell you, he's really proud of me. But still, when I get back to him, he actually tells me कि अगर मैं तुमको रख लेता तो ये opportunity कहाँ से मिलती. But anyways, heading the retail division, of course, does not come easy. The day I entered office, actually, people did give me a look. We are a corporate, hence there is a hierarchy that is maintained out there. People, when I entered, actually gave me the look, first of all, you are very tiny looking. Secondly, you have come here only on the merit of being married into the family house. And now you actually come and say that you want to work. What are your educational qualifications, etc., etc. Okay, when the time I entered business, I was not MBA. Now I am, because I literally felt that I should have an MBA tag to actually survive out here. But trust me, the MBA did not help me any bit. Because my mentor, who is the MD and chairman of CRM, Mr. Ramesh Podar, he actually tells कि जब कोई MBA आता है तो उसको मुझे 6 महीना अनलर्न करवाने में लगता है.